Well, news just coming in. The High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the increasing number of road rage incidents that are happening in Delhi. Now, this, of course, is coming after a traffic policeman hurled a brick at a woman 2 days ago. The Delhi High Court has said that a PIL filed is about the general situation of road rage and also the conduct of the Delhi police. Let's play out a reaction for you of the Delhi Police Commissioner.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि मेरे से कोई भी आके मिल सकता है और जो भी किसी की ग्रीवांस है वो मुझे आके बता सकता है, चाहे वो जनता का हो, चाहे वो दिल्ली पुलिस का पुलिसकर्मी हो या किसी पुलिसकर्मी की फैमिली हो।
तो सर, क्या उसके फैमिली है सर मिलने का?
नहीं, मेरी जानकारी नहीं है। अगर कोई मिलने आना मुझसे चाहेगा तो जरूर उससे मैं मिलूंगा।
सर, एक ऑडियो भी आई है आज, उस ऑडियो में वो लेडी कोई आर्ग्यू कर रही है।
देखिए, जब किसी भी केस की इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है, जो हमने केस दर्ज किया है उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन और मेरिट की जाएगी। जो प्राइमा फेसाई फैक्ट हमारे सामने आए थे उसमें जो भी एप्रोप्रिएट कार्रवाई थी वो की गई है।
Well, Meenakshi Bhanja is on the phone line with me. Meenakshi, take us through the details of this PIL.
Well, you know, this is a plea which the High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of, and this plea clearly the Chief Justice of the Honorable Delhi High Court has today highlighted will not be limited to this particular incident pertaining to the traffic cop's assault of the woman, but also investigate and get into the further details of growing and increasing incidents of road rage cases across Delhi. You'll recall in the last week itself, we have seen a spate of road rage incidents which has come into focus and emphasis, and that is something which has concerned Delhi High Court, and therefore it has gone ahead and taken a suo motu cognizance of the increasing incidents of road rage incidents and also the role of police subsequently in such incidents. So clearly the High Court of the opinion that at a later point in time, as the case progresses, there could be a need for the appointment of an amicus curiae, which it will look into to assist the court in such matters. And also, very interestingly and quickly for the sake of our viewers, the High Court has taken a jibe even at the lady who was involved in the traffic cop incident, saying that she seems to have improved her statement as per increased television interviews. So that was clearly a jibe or a sarcastic remark from the High Court.